Good morning, class. As on Saturday, we have completed answer the following questions of chapter 8, The Wise Men of Ramnagar. Now, today we are going to start with true and false and who said the whom. That is, answer the questions about these lines from the story. Now, in the true and false which are given in this chapter are based on that we don't have to write only true and false, in but where the false statement is there, we have to correct that and we have to make that statement in true form. Like this we have to do true and false of this chapter. As the sentence which is given here is the tree was 2 meters tall, but in that chapter which we have read is the tree was 2 meters wide. It was not tall. So the tree was 2 meters wide. When we are writing false, below that we have to correct that statement and answer the questions about these lines from the story. We have already done that. Now let us continue with the exercises in the notebook. Now, let us begin with the true and false in this. First of all, put today's date, classwork, then the heading. Some of the following sentences are true and some are false. Copy the true sentences into your notebook. Can you make the false sentences into true sentences? As I've already told you that in front of the true sentence, you have to mention true. You don't have to do anything in that. But when you are writing false, you have to correct that statement. Now let us begin. The men was cutting the tree with the pen knives. The men were cutting the tree with the pen knife. This is true. So we will write over here true. Second one is the tree was 2 meters tall. The tree was 2 meters wide, not tall. So let us write over here false. False, and let us correct the statement in the second line. The tree was 2 meters wide. It was not tall. So you have to correct this statement below. By the side of the ant hill was a long line of men. The men were not collecting the ants. The women were collecting. So this statement is false. So let us now correct the statement. By the side of the ant hill was a long line of women. Put a full stop at the end. Now let us move to fourth one. The fourth one is the chief clerk said the villagers were dangerous. Yes, the chief clerk said. So this statement is true. Let us write true over here. Now let us move to fifth one. I hope you all are understanding this, how to write. Fifth one is the district officer did not want to change the plan. It is not true because the district officer changed the plan. So let us write over here false and let us now correct the statement. The correct statement will be the district officer changed the plan. This is the correct statement. You have to correct it and write it below the false statement. Let us now move to the sixth one. Sixth one is the people of Ramnagar were mad. They were not mad in actual, but they were very wise. That means they were very clever. So this statement is also false. Now let us correct this statement below. The people of Ramnagar were wise. Put a full stop at the end. Now, after completing this, you have to write it like this. Copy the same as I have written using both black and blue pen. When you will correct the false statement, write it below the false statement using black pen. Now let us turn the page and come to answer the following questions from the story. Now, put today's date, class 4. Answer the questions about these lines from the story. You have to answer some of the questions based on this line. The first line is, the villagers were very angry. They sat in the meeting for 3 whole days. The villagers were very angry when they heard about the passing road through their village. At last they thought of a plan. Now, first question which is based on this line is, why were the villagers angry? You have to tell why were the villagers that much angry. The villagers were angry as they heard that the people of town are going to build the road which would pass from their village. So because of it, some of their best fields will be destroyed. I hope you all remember the chapter that the villagers were angry when they heard that the road which the townsfolk people are going to build was going to pass through their village, and many of their crops would be destroyed. After listening to this news, they were very angry. So you have to write the answer. Question is, why were the villagers angry? Answer for this is, the villagers were angry as they heard that the people of town are going to build the road which would pass from their village. So, because of it, some of their best fields would be destroyed. Now, let us move to question B. What did they talk about at the meeting? And you have to tell what were the villagers talking about in the meeting. The villagers were talking about the road which is going to be built between the 2 towns and thought about how to stop it from being built as it would harm their villages. The villagers were thinking that how to stop that road which is going to pass between the 2 towns, and many of their fields would also be destroyed when that road would be built. So they were thinking of a plan how to stop that road from building. Question B is, what did they talk about at the meeting? Answer for this is, the villagers were talking about the road which is going to be built between the 2 towns and thought about how to stop it from being built as it would harm their village. Now, I hope this answers A and B are clear to all of you. Now let us move to question C. What was their plan? What were they planning to stop them from building the road? They planned to do different things, because of which town people would think these people were stupid and would change their plan. As in their plan, they have used such methods so that the townsfolk people would think that they are all mad, and they would change their plan, and they were successful in their plan, because using different methods, cutting the tree with pen knives and taking out river with a cup, getting a bucket full of water using a cup, and taking single ant from the ant hill in the basket, they were successful in their plan. Now, question C is, what was their plan? Answer for this is, they planned to do different things, because of which town people would think these people are stupid and would change their plan. Now, question D is, did their plan work? You have to tell the plan which they have thought of not getting the road built. Are they successful in that? Yes, their plan worked, and then town people changed their plan, and thus they decided to build the road along the top of the hill. They were really successful in their plan, as the townspeople changed their plan, and thought of building the road along the top of the hill, not that road which would pass through that village. Question D is, did their plan work? Answer for this is yes, their plan worked as the town people changed their plan, and thus they decided to build the road along the top of the hill. Now, after writing this, you all will copy this, answer the questions about this line from the story in your notebook. After completing this, now here we complete with a work in a notebook. So you have to complete your index in your notebooks as I have done 52 to 57. Count your number of pages where you have ended with the work and write that number of pages in the fill in the index. Homework for you all is to learn the first 5 question and answer of chapter 8, that is the Wise Men of Ramnagar. Thank you.